मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम क्लास थर्ड का एक्सरसाइज 1.1 सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.1 फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। That is, write the numerals. For the following. A 3413, that is 3400 13. It means 3413. 3000 means हमें यहाँ पे 3000 का 3 लिख रहे हैं, उसके बाद 400, it means we have to take this 400, then 13. Simply we have to write 13 like this. The second one, 4703. 4703. यहां पर हमें 1000 का नंबर मिला हुआ है, हंड्रेड्स का नंबर मिला हुआ है, 3 मिला हुआ है, लेकिन टेंस का नंबर हमारे पास नहीं है। सो वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट 4004, देन 700s 7, next it is 3. In between 100 and ones we have tens. In that place we have to put 0, then we have to write it 3 like this. 4703. 1000 comes in the fourth place, that's why the number is in 4 digits. Here it is given 3 numbers, but 1000 place is the fourth place. For that we have taken 0 in the place of tens. Understood? Next, question number 2. Fill in the blocks. Fill in the box with missing digits. The boxes with the missing digits. Here we have taken some questions, that is A 7206, 7206. Here we have to fill the boxes which are given in the question. Like this, the question is given. In this, these boxes are to be filled. The boxes which are given before the number, before the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, the boxes will be filled by us. So now we have to read it as I told you that yesterday, by putting comma we find easy way to read the numbers, and here we put the comma ones, tens, hundred after hundreds. It is 7,000. That is, we have to put here 7. That is 7,000 plus 2 is in the place of hundreds. Here we have to write 2. That is 200, and plus tens, in the tens place it is 0, and in ones place it is 6. Like this, we have to fill the boxes which are given in the question. Next, 8,960. 8,960. Here again we get the boxes. Now the first box will be filled by 8, and second one hundreds, that is 9, and third one that is 6, and fourth one it is 0. That is, in thousand place it is 8, in hundred place it is 9, and in tens place it is 6, and in ones place it is 0. Like this we have to fill the boxes. Next, question number 3. Write the number name. Write the number name of the following. That is, first question 2,713. We have to write the number name, means we have to write this number in words. We have to write this number into words. हमें इस नंबर को words में लिखना है. Like 2,713, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then automatically we have to say that 2,713. Now, next 8,070. That is 8070. Here in the ones place we have 0, and in hundreds place we have 0, and in tens place we get 7, and in thousands place we have 8. So thousands place we write it as 8,000 8000 and in 100 place we don't have any number, then simply leave it. Then in tens place we get 7, that is 70. And in ones place there is no number, then leave it as it is. Then the answer is 8070. Question number 4. Write in short form. Write in short form of the following. First question, 1000 plus 200s plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. 1000 plus 200s plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. It means how we will write in the short form. हम इस नंबर को किस शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? जैसे कि 1000 के प्लेस में 1 है, ये 1 है. 1000 मीन्स पहले हमें 1000 लिखना है, देन 100 के प्लेस में 2 है, तो फिर वहां से हमें 2 लिखना है. नेक्स्ट टेंस के प्लेस में 3 है, so we have to write 3. Then again in the ones place we have 5, तो हमें 5 लिखना है. तो like this we have to write 1235. In the same way, second one, 3000 plus 800s plus 6 tens plus 2 ones. As we write the above question, in the same way we have to write the next question also. That is, in thousands place we take 3, from hundreds place we take 8, and in tens place we have to write 6. Then in ones place we have to write 2. The answer is 3862. Like this. The fourth question will be completed and the remaining questions are given as homework. And for next we move to question number 5. That is, write in short form which is given in numerals. Write in short form the first question is 4000 50 प्लस 6। हियर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि 4000 दिया हुआ है, 50 दिया हुआ है, 6 दिया हुआ है, लेकिन 100 प्लेस का कोई भी वैल्यू दिया हुआ नहीं है। तो हमें सिंपली क्या करना है, 4000 का 4 लेना है, 100 का प्लेस तो कुछ भी नहीं है तो वहां पे हमें 0 लिखना है, देन 10 प्लेस का 5 लिखना है, 1 प्लेस का 6 लिखना है। जो नंबर जिस प्लेस का वैल्यू नहीं दिया हुआ है वहां पे हमें सिंपली 0 लगाना है, तो जिससे नंबर पूरा सही तरीके से इन द राइट वे वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर। If you don't have any value of any place, then simply put there 0 for that value or that place. It will give the correct answer for the question. Now, next, thousand plus 100 plus 1. In this, we don't have tens place. 1000 place it is given, 100 place given, 1's place given, but the tens place will not be given. That's why we have to put thousands place 1, 100 place 1, and tens place we have to put 0. Then 1's place it is 1. Like this, it is called as 1101. Next, question number 6. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. In the above questions, we see that the questions are in expanded form. We have to convert them into short form. But in the 6th question, the questions are in short form. We have to expand the short form into expanded form. That is, question number 1, 1576. 1576. In this, first of all, we have to count the numbers, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then simply we have to write, that is 1000 plus 100 plus 5, that is 500 means 00. Then 7, it is tens place, then simply 70, then it is 6. Again, question number B, 3205. 3205. Then similarly, as we write in the first question, we have to write the numbers, that is thousands, 3 000 plus 2 00 plus in tens place there is no number, then simply put 00 plus 5. Like this, we completed the question number 6. Now, we have to move to the question number 7. Question number 7. Write the place value of value of 9 in place value of question number A. Nine in 7,869. 7,869. 69. It means we have to tell the value of this number. We have to tell the value of this number. In this number, we have to know what is the value of 9. That is, 9 is in the place of ones. Then simply we have to say that place value of 9 equals 9, because it is in the ones place. The what is the ones means whatever the number is there, the value of is also same. And the second one, 3 in 5237. In this, the value of 3, that is in the place of tens, the value of 3 is, we have to find the value of 3 which is in the place of tens. That simply write place value of 3 equals, it is the place of in the place of tens. Then 3 means it is 30. Next, question number 3, 0 in 6027. Here it is asked that value of 0 which is in the place of hundreds, that is place value of 0. 0 means there is no number, then simply we have to write it 0. Then question number 8. Face value of 6 in 9576. Face value, write the face value of 6 in 9576. 9576. What is the face value? First of all, we have to know what is the face value. Face value is the value that is given in the numbers, in the numeral. It is not changed, but the place value is the value shows the place, the number in which the place is situated. और ये बोल सकते हैं कि जो नंबर जिस प्लेस में है उस प्लेस के अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस प्लेस द वैल्यू ऑफ द नंबर इज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, बट द फेस वैल्यू इज सेम एज नो, it is either in the hundreds or thousands or ones or in tens. Without any change, the value, face value is same whatever it is written in the places. That is face value of 6 is simply 6. If it is in the ones place, either it is in the tens place or it is hundreds place or it is in thousands place. It is not now business that where the number is, but number is only the face means whatever we know, whatever we see. It is like a mirror. When we see in the mirror, whatever our face, it is shown in the same in the mirror. That's like that. The numbers in which the way that written, the face value is the same without any place. Then question number 9. Difference between the place value and face value of 2. Difference. Write the difference between the face value and place value of 2 in 6,293. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या होगा कि डिफरेंस फेस वैल्यू और प्लेस वैल्यू में इस नंबर में जो नंबर 2 है उस 2 का क्या डिफरेंस आता है वो हमें यहाँ पे दिखाना है। तो प्लेस वैल्यू का मतलब क्या होता है? द वैल्यू विच इज शोस द प्लेस ऑफ ए नंबर, दैट इज प्लेस वैल्यू of 2 equals कौन सा प्लेस में? It is in hundreds place that we have to write 200. Then the face value of 2, फेस वैल्यू क्या होगा? वो चाहे हंड्रेड्स में हो, चाहे टेंस में हो, चाहे थाउजेंड्स में हो, चाहे वंस में हो, it is the same. Then we have to write it. We have to take the difference of these two numbers. Then यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Subtract करना है. So 0 minus 2 we go deduct it. Then we have to borrow. It is 10. 10 minus 2 it is 8. Here we get 9. 9. There is no number below the 9. Then we have to simply write the 9 and here we get 1 because 1 is already borrowed from 2 to 0. That's why it is here it is left 1. We have to write it 1. The difference is 198. The difference is 198. Like this, we have completed this today's class, and the other questions are solved. We may solve the questions above 9 or from 10 tomorrow classes, in tomorrow classes. As it is, I think you have understood the exercise. If anything you have doubt or any problem, then without any hesitation you can contact me and ask me questions. Thank you.